Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the repository in your browser and confirming you have the right view. Once done, pick what you will link: a file, a specific line range, a folder, or a commit. This choice changes the steps. Make sure you are signed in because some features differ when unauthenticated. If you'll propose changes, fork the repo now. Then navigate to the target file or view so you can create a precise, shareable link. Once at the target, select specific lines by clicking the line numbers. You'll see an updated URL with a fragment that points to those lines. If you need a permanent reference, click the three dots or the tooth icon and choose Copy Permalink. This locks to a commit SHA. For folders or general file views, confirm you're on the correct branch, then copy the browser URL. Make sure the path and branch are visible in the address, so recipients land in the right place. You finish by pasting the link into your issue, pull request, or chat, and then testing it in an incognito window to mimic another user. If the link fails, check whether the branch changed, the file was renamed, or you copied a non-permalink URL. Switching to the permalink fixes most breakage. For code review, prefer line-anchored links and add a brief note explaining why you linked it. Finally, if access is denied, confirm repository visibility or collaborator permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.